Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm super excited to have you. And if you're a regular, you already know how much I love diving into new opportunities and sharing them with you. Today, I want to talk about something that caught my eye recently. The Keto Cooking Firesale with Unrestricted PLR. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, another PLR package? But hear me out, because this one is different. If you've been paying attention to the world of health and fitness, especially the keto diet, you know it's absolutely booming. In fact, it's been one of the most searched diets online for years, and it doesn't look like it's going anywhere anytime soon. In the US alone, there are over 25 million searches related to the keto diet each year. That's a huge market, and it's only getting bigger. So, what is this Keto Cooking Firesale all about? To put it simply, it's a package of 100+ keto recipe videos, and the real kicker here is that you get unrestricted PLR. If you're unfamiliar with PLR private label rights, this essentially means you get full ownership of the videos. You can put your name on them, rebrand them, and sell them for whatever price you want. It's like getting a full-blown video business that's already created for you. The keto niche is massive, and content around it is in high demand. Whether it's recipe videos, blog posts, or social media content, there's a ton of money to be made by jumping into this market. The Keto Cooking Firesale gives you ready-made content you can capitalize on immediately. You can sell these recipe videos individually or bundle them into packs. You could even create your own keto recipe books or courses. The possibilities are endless when you own the rights to the content. One thing that really stands out to me is the versatility this offer gives you. You're not just limited to selling these videos on your own site or social media. With PLR rights, you can also sell them on popular platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelance sites. I mean, each recipe video can go for anywhere between $50 to $150, depending on your niche and how you market it. So, if you're thinking about the math, 100 videos could potentially bring you in anywhere between $5,000 and $15,000 in profits. Not bad for a digital product that you don't have to create from scratch, right? Another great thing about this offer is that it's not just about the videos. You can use this content to build your own business. If you're into health coaching or have a health blog or website, you can start selling keto-based products, courses, or even set up a membership site. The keto market is huge, and people are always looking for new recipes and health tips to help them stay on track with their diet. But here's the thing. This offer isn't going to be around forever. It's a limited-time deal, and if you've been considering starting your own online business or venturing into the keto niche, this might be the perfect time to jump in. I know starting a business can feel like a huge leap, but with a ready-made product and a huge demand, it's as close as you can get to a sure thing. I've seen plenty of PLR offers come and go, but this one really stood out to me because of the quality of the content and the potential for real profit. So, if you're looking to get into the keto space and make some solid passive income, this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Don't miss out, guys. If you're ready to take the plunge and start building your digital empire, the Keto Cooking Firesale might just be the perfect place to start. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.